What up, everybody? Bitcoin's trading at $60,000. Well, $60,507 to be exact. Hopefully, we're finally starting an uptrend out of Rectember because this month has been kind of brutal so far. But yeah, we may get our first our first rate cut tomorrow, so that could be exciting, or that could be the start of a recession. So, who knows? Yeah. What are we going on? Oh yeah. So, as you guys know, Aleo mining has taken the top of the charts over on hashrate.no. We'll stop by there for a second. I'm going to show you guys how to get it set up in Windows and Hive OS, do all that fun stuff. So make sure you guys go ahead, like and subscribe, and comment down below. Do you guys think the bear market is almost over? A lot of analysts and other YouTubers are definitely saying so. Me personally, I think we're at the end of the bear market. So where do you guys think we're at? Are we still right before the peak, or has the peak already hit and are we closing up shop? Yeah, comment that down below, like, subscribe, do all that fun stuff. Let's get into it. Okay, so well, first things first, let's stop by hashrate.no, and you can see a 4080 is doing $2 a day revenue. So before power, which is actually like really well, we haven't seen these numbers in quite a while in the GPU space. Surprisingly, the 4090 is not up there. Oh, 4090 still on Pyron, so definitely a select few cards are killing it on Aleo. Aleo. I don't know how it's pronounced. It's a crypto. But yeah, so how to get it set up is the fun part. Right now, it's before we get into that, actually, I mentioned this coin 400 forevers ago when I did my video Cubic how to pull mine Cubic video. And a big part of the reason why a lot of people did not know about this project was purely out of the fact that this project has like a lot of VC venture capital, blah blah, all that kind of stuff in it. So if you were in America, you couldn't participate in the incentivized testnet for the airdrop. And so I think what we're seeing now is like the airdrop and all that fun stuff. But yeah, so that definitely sucked, and you should definitely keep that in mind because, you know, Ironfish had a similar kind of incentivized testnet, but Americans could do it. They did have a KYC, which is why I did not participate or cover this one on the channel. And so, yeah, you know, keep that in mind. But if you want to mine it now because it says it's profitable, first things first, you're going to need a wallet. So you're going to come over here, use the Leo wallet. You can download it on your phone or iOS or Android, I guess. I assume because you're in crypto, you're cool, so you have an iPhone. But yeah, so you're going to download that. Once you have it downloaded, you're going to do all the whole fun setup stuff. I'm not dealing with that. That'll give you your Aleo wallet. It's so funny enough, I didn't realize this. It's literally Aleo. It's the wallet. So yeah, go ahead, download your wallet, get your wallet address. And then over here on F2pool, we have a how to mine guide. I'm going to walk you through this, but I will have this link down below in the description. It's actually relatively simple. So for Windows people first, you're going to come over here, click on this. It's going to bring you to this funky Google Drive page. We're going to go ahead and download the Win64 Aleo miner. Download that right there. Go ahead, extract it. And then this one's actually super simple. Going to go into it. The Aleo file right here. Going to right click, edit. Go ahead, paste in your for your wallet name. You're going to do the your account name for F2pool. You are going to have to sign up for F2pool, and then whatever your whatever your worker name is, and then they only have the Aleo Asia pool. So get that all good and going. Then file save, and then relatively easy setup. So yeah, super easy. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment down below. What are you guys feeling about the crypto market? And also, for those of you guys who want to support the channel but don't actually want to spend any money, down below I have a link to my FPV drone channel. Go ahead over there, drop a subscribe, like, comment on a video or two, help that channel out because drone YouTube sucks because FPV, like crypto once was, is not a big market whatsoever. And so it's a very annoying. But yeah, just do that for me. And yeah, so Hive OS. You're going to come over here. As you can see, I am not mining it on my one still alive Hive OS rig because AMD cards do not work with this miner. So definitely keep that in mind. So you'll come over to wallets, like always, add wallet, coin. This is actually already in Hive OS. Go ahead, paste your wallet address, name your wallet, hit create, and then come over to flight sheet, coin. You're gonna do Aleo wallet, configure and miner, or wallet, yeah, my Leo or your Leo, configure and miner. We're gonna do a custom miner. Oh. And then set up miner config. Over here, I will try to remember to have it linked down below, but I will have the F2 page linked down below for sure. And you can find everything in here. So if you scroll down, all the way down, far down. So maybe never mind, because I got mine from Discord. So I definitely will have this pasted down below in the description. Let's go back. You are going to want, you can also find this in their Discord. That is also an option. You're going to want to find this HTTPS public download, whatever. I'll have it linked down below, but you're just going to paste that in there. Hash algorithm. And then once again, you're going to put your account name for F2 pool dot worker name. And then your stratum. You don't have to do anything else for the extra arguments. Hit apply changes. Name your flight sheet like I did not. And then you're going to hit create flight sheet. Or yeah, create your flight sheet. You're all good to go. Ah, this is the one I needed to name. And then yeah, you're all set up and ready to mine. I'll have the install URL linked down below in the description. And yeah, let me know how you guys are feeling sentiment wise about this coin. Drop like, comment, subscribe, do all those fun things. You guys have a nice day and peace out.